Okay, this is my 2004 Saab Aero Turbo 9.3. About to show you guys how to put a blow-off valve on here. Hopefully I won't get a check engine light. Let's start off by taking off the engine cover. Sorry if the camera's a bunch of shaking all over the place. I'm trying to hold this phone and do this at the same time. This is I don't know what size bit that is, but I only got one bolt there. After I get this off, I can take off the tube to the throttle body. Okay, so this is what I got. I got knockoff JDM Sport RFL 4 T clamps, 2.5 inch, two 2-inch clamps, and I got two JDM Sport 2.5 to 2.5s, and two exhaust, mild steel exhaust adapters, 2.5 to 2-inch, because that hose is really small. I'm gonna basically, there's a vacuum line, some zip ties. Need to get vacuum tee out of the center console. There we go. This would be the first video I've ever seen of someone installing one of these. I've seen ones with them on there, but no one of anybody installing or putting one on, to say. Take off this right here. Take off this clamp. This one's a 7mm, I guess. Yeah, well, that's what I got, and that's what fits it. So I guess it's a 7mm. Push that on down. Then I have a different size clamp than stock on that. So that one's an 8. Take this off, and then I'm going to start cutting my tube apart, measuring, cutting it for that big piece to fit on there. I'm probably going to have to cut this right here, this piece right here. I'm probably going to have to cut for the larger diameter pipe, but you got to sacrifice for your car to have a blow-off valve on it, I guess. Fucking hose is on there. Gotta keep loosening this thing. Wish I could set this up to where I wouldn't have to hold this thing. See if I can find a way to use the blow-off valve. Try to find a way to set this thing up. Fuck it, I'll hold it. Pull this off. Okay. A little bit of oil in there. That's fine. You need to pick which vacuum line you want to tap. Where does this one go to? I might tap into that one. I don't know. Probably this one. Depends on how thick it is. Well, see if my vacuum tee fits in this one. If this fits in this one, I'll tap into that one. Where's my vacuum tee at? Here it is. That one don't fit. So it looks like it's going to be a different one. All these vacuum lines are kind of big. See which ones I should tap into here. Oh, there's one. How about this guy? Oh, and he's nice and small. There we go. Well, I'll tap into him. There's a decent angle, so I ain't gotta hold this. Oh yeah, fits in there nice. There we go. Don't forget, when you're ever messing with a boosted car, you put T's on shit, you better be ready to put some zip ties on them. You don't put zip ties on them, you're getting that boost blowing, it'll blow those off like nothing. Got some shitty zip ties from Harbor Freight. Yep, and they're shitty zip ties from Harbor Freight, so that one just broke. Should have upgraded, went to Harbor Freight. Got the, instead of the ones that were 99 cents, I should have got the ones that were $1.99. Oh, they keep on breaking. Looks like probably no zip ties. That's a tight enough fit anyways. Okay. Need to start assembling my pipe. I'll probably stop it about now and make 2 videos. This is the first video, part 1. This is pretty much the breakdown video, and the second video will be the installation.